से वतन में हो, प्यार से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में हो, अव्यक्त वतन में हम मुड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं, उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में।
Om Shanti. Taking everyone's love remembrances, and I went to offer bhog to Baba. Baba gave very loveful drishti to all of us. And then I offered bhog to Baba. Baba, with lot of love, accepted bhog. Baba was looking at all of us in a big gathering, but also individually. And through drishti, whatever is needed by the soul, Baba was helping to receive that. And then Baba said that, what do you all like, gathering or to be alone? Do you all like family or you like to be alone? So I think you all will say, you like to be in family, right? Or is there anyone who wants to be just alone? So Baba said, actually, you are in family, you are in gathering, but also always remember that I have to be alone. Baba said, even in a school, if you all studying, so no one can study for other one, right? You have to study yourself. If you are on pilgrimage, even if you are together with many, but still you have to walk, right? So internally practice all the time. Have lot of spiritual love, togetherness, harmony, but keep reminding yourself that I have to keep courage. I have to take every step forward. So even if you are taking that support or strength, but always remember that you have to make it, you have to do it. And then Baba was saying that you all offer bhog to Baba. What else do you offer to Baba? So I said, well, our life is for Baba, right? Baba said that every elevated thought you have, sometimes we have very beautiful thoughts, thought for somewhere, some good thought. Offer to Baba and don't keep thinking over and over, because power to get it accomplished will come from Baba. And Baba will make it happen. So give your thought to Baba, offer your thought to Baba. So I said, we offer it, but it keeps coming back, right, again and again. So Baba said, no, you have to learn that. Because Baba said, then your intellect is free. So you can be remembering Baba or whatever. But don't keep thinking about same thought. Even it's a good thought. Sometimes you want to do something. So say to Baba, Baba, yes, this is the thought I offer, and take power from Baba. Baba will also help you to get it accomplished so that your intellect more is in the remembrance. And then Baba said that within the cycle, every moment, the cycle turns. So no moments could be same, right? So whatever next will happen will be different. The next will happen will be different. It cannot be same. Sometimes we think that, oh, it was not like that before. Or sometimes we think it will be same. Baba said, no, it will be different. And on one side, we know darkness is increasing, more and more viciousness. But then if we look at your stages, the future world, world of love, peace also is emerging. So Baba said, but you all don't look at the descent. You always look at ascent. So when you look at ascent, then you will be full of enthusiasm, courage, hope. But if you look at other side, then deeply within there will be fear, uncertainty, insecurity, what's going to happen. So Baba says, no, your omens at confluence age are different. But sometimes children look at the circumstances of the world and they start thinking based on that. Yes, we know uh, that what is happening in the world, but you are creating your, Baba says, divine sanskars and divine world. So, but that awareness is very important. Otherwise, subtly you will be influenced by the energy which is outside. So just take from Baba, from your good efforts, your elevated thoughts. No, that's important. Then Baba gave love remembrances to all the souls, all those who offer bhog to Baba with lot of love and bhavna. Baba works in such a incognito way, the way God works, so unique, right? We all know, but we know very little. His ways are very, very unique. How he does and makes himself, whether it's our companion or wherever he has to be present. So lots of love from Baba. Om Shanti.